So what's happening is, I want to keep my chin tucked, so as soon as we're closing distance, okay, I'm not turning the hip, I am moving my center again, and I'm using my knee coming forward to the end of my foot for that power, okay? And I don't do this. You see in movies all the time, they back their head up and go forward. Not only are you backing your head up, you're raising your chin up in the air to be hit or uppercut. As Chris just pointed out as we were talking about the preparation for this video. Throat, absolutely. So your chin is tucked, okay? And it's just that. And what's happening here is, I'm not gonna hit with here, I'm gonna hit with up here on the top of my head. The top of my head, the front of my head is harder, okay? Around here on the side too, I can use the side. So it's bringing that weight forward, and I'm not snapping my neck. It's like going to a heavy metal concert when you're done. Your neck is gonna be killing you when you're doing the whole headbanging thing, okay? I'm keeping everything solid, and I'm driving forward my center, my knee going towards the end of my toe. It's this mechanical movement here. That is driving forward and coming in with the head. Tucking my chin. When I tuck my chin, that gets a good portion of the part of my head that could cut out of the way. See here? I'm gonna go past your head. Chin tucked, and I'm driving that forward. Whole body at the same time without doing this, okay? It's just coming in, all right? We're gonna show applications of this. This is of course a close range move, and it's very good against anti-grappling techniques. We're close, I'm coming in, here, boom. Muay Thai clinch, all right? Same thing, coming in with my head, all right? So this is just your close range headbutt for grappling, anti-grappling, coming in, throwing your head in. A lot of times you'll see when people are sparring, they clash heads and one of them gets cut. The boxers they're bobbing and weaving and they come in and I come in and boom. Okay? And it happens on accident. People aren't even trying to do this. It just shows you how deadly this technique is. So that is your traditional headbutt.